Hello and welcome guys to the latest roundup of AI news. I think firstly on the agenda is the new release of GitHub Copilot Agent Mode. I think that's quite exciting new release from GitHub. So obviously they released the Copilot back in 2021, but now they're releasing the Agent Mode. Basically what it is they're trying to allow developers to leverage agentic mode, which not only gonna provide feedback on your pull requests, but they can also do auto-fixing security vulnerabilities or brainstorm how to essentially implement and fix any specific issues. So what they're doing, they added a Gemini 2.0 Flash model to Copilot users. So what it will do is essentially in agent mode, Copilot will be able to iterate not just on its own output, but the results of that output. And it will iterate until completed all of the subtasks required to complete your prompt. So I think that's quite an exciting move towards improving code and helping to solve vulnerabilities. As long as obviously it's used in the correct hands. So what are your guys' thoughts in new agentic mode of GitHub Copilot? Next on the news, Mistral just released a new feature called Le Chat. Essentially, it's an ultimate AI sidekick, which is going to be available on web and on mobile. Google looks like they are sparking up their releases as well. So they just released Imagen 3, which is essentially their new state-of-the-art image creation model. So what it does is basically creates visually appealing, artifact-free images for a wide variety of hyper-realistic images to impressionistic landscapes. I think what's really impressive is that you can create images for 3 cents using Gemini API. So are you guys excited to play around and see how this new Imagen 3 model will perform? It looks quite exciting, so I think it's an interesting model. And I think last but not least, Lyft, the company that's competing with Uber and has their driver system, they just announced that they are creating a partnership with Anthropic to use their Claude AI to handle all of the customer queries. They're already using that to assist drivers, and they're already saying that they improved their problem resolution by 87%. So it looks like an interesting move. But are you guys pro or against handling customer service queries using AI, or you want to speak with a human? So interesting developments. Let me know your thoughts, guys. Thank you for your time.